Hi, I'm Jasmine and I work for Inland Empire Resource Conservation District, or IERCD for short. We partnered with the City of San Bernardino Municipal Water Department to bring you virtual lessons on water education and conservation. For our first lesson, we're going to learn about the wonderful properties of water. You may have seen the viral video of the soap, water, and pepper activity in which the pepper represents germs. The person leading the activity will have a plate of water and then sprinkle pepper on the surface. They'll then place a finger in a bowl of soap and then place the finger in the center of the dish. And voila! The pepper moves to the edge and away from the person's finger. This is a great way to demonstrate the importance of hand washing. Bye-bye, germs. Today, I'm not only going to show you how to do this activity and observe this phenomena, but I'm also going to explain the science behind what is happening and share about the properties of water that make this activity so interesting. You will need a dish, water, pepper flakes to signify germs, and soap in a small bowl. And I've selected eco-friendly soap that I use here at home. I would also suggest having a cloth napkin or towel nearby. Start by discussing germs and the importance of hand washing. Pour water carefully into your dish, but don't overflow it. Sprinkle pepper flakes onto the surface of the water. And have children make observations. Ask them, what do you see? What do you notice? What do you wonder about? Wipe off the excess pepper. Then dip your index finger into the center of the dish. What do you notice? What do you see? What do you wonder? Now, dip your finger in the soap. Make sure that it's well coated. And dip that same index finger into the center of the dish. What do you notice? What do you see? What do you wonder? Your little scientists might want to know what's happening in this activity. The demonstration really has more to do with soap and water. The pepper just allows us to see what is happening. Why do the pepper flakes float? Well, pepper is hydrophobic, meaning that water is not attracted to it. Because of that, the pepper can't dissolve in the water. But why do the flakes float on top of the water? Water molecules like to stick together. They line up in a certain way that gives the top of the water surface tension. Because pepper flakes are so light and hydrophobic, the surface tension keeps them floating on top. As the soap moves into the water and the surface tension changes, the pepper no longer floats on top, but the water molecules still want to keep the surface tension going, so they pull away from the soap and carry the pepper along with them. Now that you know what is happening in this phenomena and how important hand washing really is, try this activity for yourself and teach your friends and family. Visit the City of San Bernardino Municipal Water Department's website to access this video, resource links, and an activity write-up in English and in Spanish. And tell us how you like this virtual lesson in the comments below. Tag us in any photos or videos of you doing this activity. Thank you from the City of San Bernardino Municipal Water Department, and thank you from everyone at IERCD. We appreciate you watching. Take care.